Children, this is preparatory question paper mathematics. So preparatory question paper ऐसा ही रहता है final exam question paper. Class 9 CBSE. This is Paul Public School का preparatory paper है. Section second preparatory. If two lines intersect, then the vertically opposite angles are. If two lines intersect, then vertically opposite angles are equal. This is a vertically opposite angle. Into multiplication mark जैसा रहता है. So these are equal. For example, here 80 degree means here also 80 degree. So answer is A equal. Answer A equal रहता है. If two lines intersect, then vertically opposite angles are equal. In question, if angle A and B form linear pair and angle A 50 degree, find angle B. So what is a linear pair of angle means? Linear pair of angle is equal to 180 degree. So here linear pair of angle AB, angle A is 50 degree, angle B. Angle A is 50 degree, then angle B. Angle B is X. So we know that linear pair of angle is equal to 180 degree. Sum of linear pair of angle is equal to 180 degree. So we'll write it as 50 degree plus X is equal to 180 degree. So X is equal to how much? 180 minus 50. 180 degree minus 50 degree. So answer is 130 degree. X is equal to 130 degree. This is the answer. X is equal to 130 degree. A linear pair of or adjacent angle. Linear pair पे 180 minus 50 means 130 degree. Sum of angle is equal to 180 degree. Next question. Two complementary angles differ by 30. Find the smallest angle. Supplementary, complementary means sum is equal to 90 degree. Supplementary का shape कैसा आता है? S जैसा आता है ना. Supplementary shape it come like S. So 180 याद करना है. Complementary means supplementary shape it look like S. Supplementary angle 8 कर सकते हैं. So 180 degree. Complementary angle means to remember C we can make it 90 degree. So complementary angle is equal to 90 degree. Supplementary ये supplementary S को हम 8 कर सकते हैं. Complementary C को हम 9 कर सकते हैं. So it is a complementary angle. Next question. Two complementary angle differ by 30 degree. So find the smaller angle. Two complementary angle. Complementary angle means it is a total is 190 degree आना चाहिए. 90 degree. So here two complementary angle differ by 30. Differ by 30 means let one angle be X. Let one angle be X. One angle be X degree. Okay. One angle be X degree. So the another angle. So two complementary angles. So therefore two complementary angle means two complementary angle equal. Two complementary angle कैसा आता है? X minus 30. Differ by 30 means minus X minus 30. One complementary angle is X and the two complementary angle differ by 30 means any two angles, one is 30 degree, another we don't have to find. So here X plus X minus 30 equal 90 degree. X plus X minus 30. One angle is we don't know, that is let be X. Another angle X minus 30. So that is the second angle. Second angle. This is first angle. First one is first angle B, let be X. Second angle टू कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल का डिफरेंस 30 रहता है. So difference means minus x minus 30. So x plus x minus 30 means x is 2x minus 30 equal 90 degree. 2x equal 90 minus 30 इधर आने पे plus 30 बनता है. So 2x equal 90 plus 30 is 120 degree. So x is equal to 120 minus 2. 2 ones are 2 6 are. So answer is x is equal to 60 degree. X is equal to कितना था 60 degree. So our x is equal to 60 degree. That is D value 60 degree is our answer. D value 60 degree. For example, x minus 30, 60. 60 minus 30 is 30 only. The first angle x is 60 degree and second angle is 30 degree because 60 minus 30 is 30. Here we can write 30 plus x equal 90 also. Question है, if two parallel lines are cut by transversal, then the alternate interior angle. If two parallel lines, so these two parallel lines, okay, two parallel lines are cut by transversal. So this is a transversal. Parallel lines कैसा दिखता है, एक रोड जैसा दिखता है, एक रोड के जैसा दिखता है, अपोजिट रहता है. So two parallel lines and this is a transversal line. This line is called the transversal. Okay, xy is a transversal line. Then alternate interior angle. So we have to find the alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. These angles are equal. So we have to write answer as equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. A. Alternate interior angles are equal. So here angle 1, if angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Okay, alternate opposite रहता है, transversal line पे साथ में रहता है. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So alternate interior angles are equal here. In triangle PQR, if angle P is 70 degree and Q is equal to 60, find R. So next question, if two in triangle PQR, if angle P is 70 degree, angle Q is 60 degree, find angle R. So हमको पहले प्रॉपर्टी मालूम रहना चाहिए. एक ट्रायंगल के अंदर, इन वन ट्रायंगल, ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल टू 180 degree. If it is a triangle, all sides are equal to 180 degree. So here I'll give a name as PQR. PQR नेम देगा. Now PQR पे P is how much 70 degree, P is 70 degree, then Q is 60 degree, then R equal angle R. We know that sum of angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Now sum of angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So I'll write here angle P plus angle Q plus R is equal to 180 degree. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180 degree. Angle P कितना है 70 degree plus angle Q कितना है 60 degree. Angle R we have to find equal to 180 degree. So angle R equal 180 degree, 70 plus 60, 6 6 12 30 minus 130 degree. 70 plus 60 is 130. So this 130 this side means minus 130 degree आता है. एक स्टेप भी कर सकते हैं. 70 plus 60 130 plus R is equal to 180 degree. So R is equal to 180 minus 130 degree. So 180 minus 130 means how much? 50 degree. Angle R is equal to 50 degree. R कितना आता है 50 degree. So 50 degree option is B. So we'll write in a 10th standard exam type only. Answer B 50 degree. Answer B 50 degree. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इन एन आइसोसलस ट्रायंगल. आइसोसलस ट्रायंगल पे क्या है वो बच्चा आइसोसलस ट्रायंगल द वर्टेक्स एंगल इज 100 degree. Find the base angle. So we have to find the base angle. So here isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means any two side is equal to same. ट्विंस बच्चा है घर पे ये ट्रायंगल पे क्या है ट्विंस बच्चा है और बच्चे का नाम क्या है आइसोसलेस ट्रायंगल. सो इट मीन्स द बेस एंगल इज एक्स एक्स. बेस एंगल इज x degree and the iso 100 here 100 degree. 100 degree. Okay. फाइंड द बेस एंगल. सो आइसोसलस में तो वो घर पे ट्विंस बच्चा है. ट्विंस बच्चा मीन्स सेम एक्स एक्स बोथ आर सेम एंगल. सो विल राइट गिव एनी नेम हियर ए बी सी. ओके वी नो दैट सम ऑफ एंगल ऑफ ए ट्रायंगल इज इक्वल टू 180 degree. ओके एग्जाम में एक क्वेश्चन नहीं पता रहा तो भी you have to write these simple things. Sum of angle of a triangle is 180 degree and एक triangle draw करना. Then I saw x. Try to attend the question. उस पर एक पॉइंट तो भी करेक्ट रहे तो आपको आधा 1/2 or 1 marks chances है. Then always try to write the formulas. If you don't know the question, try to understand and try to write the basic things related to that. And here sum of angle of triangle 180 degree. ये पता है एंगल पे टोटल करने पे 100 + x + x 180 मिलता है. देन आइसोसलस ट्रायंगल. आइसोसलस बोले तो टू एंगल्स आर इक्वल. सो आई गिवन एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी प्लस एंगल सी इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. एंगल ए कितना है 100. सो 100 plus angle BA x and C also x. So I'll write here x plus x equal 180 degree. So 100 plus x, no number means 1 is there. छुपा के रखा है बैठा हुआ है plus 2x. 1 x plus x is 2x equal 180 degree. Now 2x equal, we have to find the value of x. So 2x is equal to 180 degree plus under इधर आने में minus 100 degree. So 2x equal 180 minus 100 कितना है 80 degree. So x is equal to 80/2. 80/2 आता है. So 80/2 means 2 how much the 2 1s are 2 कैंसिल करना है. 2 4s are 8 0. इट मीन्स डिवाइडिंग. एक कैंसिल मेथड पता नहीं है तो जस्ट डिवाइड एंड राइट. ओके सो 2 1s are 2 4s are 40. आंसर इज 40 डिग्री. 40 डिग्री हमको कहाँ मिलता है बी. सो ट्राई टू राइट इन 10th स्टैंडर्ड एग्जाम टाइप पैटर्न. सो आंसर कभी भी कैसा लिखना है. आंसर क्या आंसर क्या है हमको बी 40 degree. B 40 degree. This way you have to write the answer. B 40 degree is the answer. In right angle triangle, 7th question, one acute angle is 35 degree. Find the other acute angle 35, 45, 55, 65. Right angle triangle means exact one angle is equal to 90 degree. Exact one angle is equal to 90 degree. Okay, right angle triangle. So here one acute angle is how much 35 degree. We don't know which is a 35 degree. I'll write here. One is 90 degree, one is 35 degree. Find the value of other acute angle. X value we have to find. Then I'll write here A, B, C, any name or without name also you can try. Right angle triangle means one angle is 90 degree, one is given 35 degree. We know the sum of angle is equal to 180 degree. Now here sum of all angle of triangle 180 degree. So angle A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So here angle A we don't know, let X, and angle B 90 degree plus angle C 35 degree. Very careful in writing. कभी क्या होता है, देख के जल्दी जल्दी पे अर्जेंट पे क्या करते हैं हम लोग 35 को 30 लिखते हैं. सो वेरी केयरफुल. You know the method, but it's a silly mistake you'll make. So very careful when you're writing. Recheck always, reconfirm. Yeah, value is 35 degree लिखा हुआ है, and 90 degree angle be any one angle perpendicular side 180. Okay. Now x plus b 90, c is 35 equal 180 degree. Now we have to find x plus 95 35 कितना आता है 5. 9 plus 3 is 12. 125 degree equal 180 degree. We have to find the value of x. So x is equal to, after equal क्या है 180. So that only we have to write. Plus 125, when you're changing the place it become minus. क्या होता है minus. Plus 180 plus रहे तो minus आ जाता है, because we are changing from left to right side. So x is equal to 180 minus 125. 55 degree. 10 minus 5 is 5. Then 7 minus 2, 5, 6, 7, 55 degree. X is equal to 55 degree. So we have to write the value as 55 degree C option. Option C. So we'll write answer as C 55 degree. हम 10th स्टैंडर्ड पे ऐसा ही लिखते हैं. So we'll practice from here itself. Next question. In triangle ABC and DEF, if AB parallel to DE, BC parallel to EF, AC is equal to DF, then the two triangles are in triangle ABC and DEF. लिख सकते हैं, लिख के देख सकते हैं ABC and DEF. So triangle name is ABC and here DEF. If AB by DE मीन्स रेशियो फॉर्म रहता है, ए बी बाई डी ई रेशियो फॉर्म पे है. देन बी सी बाई ई एफ मीन्स रेशियोस सिमिलर है, इट इज़ नॉट कॉन्ग्रुएंट, सिमिलर. बी सी एंड ए सी बाई डी एफ. ओके, सो ए बी बाई इट मीन्स ए बी बाई डी ई रेशियोस सिमिलर रहता है, दिखने में एक ही जैसा रहता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर 3 सेंटीमीटर, हियर 6 सेंटीमीटर, और 1 2 डबल, और इन रेशियो फॉर्म पे रहता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर 2 सेंटीमीटर, हियर 4 सेंटीमीटर, रेशियो एक ही जैसा रहता है. देन बी सी बाई ई एफ, बी सी बाई ई एफ, देन ए सी बाई डी एफ, ए सी बाई डी एफ रेशियो फॉर्म पे है. सो इट इज़ it means it look like a similar triangle. So B answer is a B. Congruent means we get the exact value. So B A B D E को equal रहा तो वो congruent बनता है. Okay, right angle means any one angle should be 90 degree. Scale means different measurement. Okay, so here answer B, similar triangle. दिखने में सिमिलर है. रीजन इज इट इज इन अ रेशियो फॉर्म, ए बी बाई डी ई, बी सी बाई ई एफ, ए सी बाई डी एफ. सो आंसर इज बी, सिमिलर. सिमिलर रहता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इफ टू साइड्स ऑफ ए ट्रायंगल आर अनइक्वल, टू साइड्स ऑफ ए ट्रायंगल आर अनइक्वल, द ग्रेटर एंगल इज. So if two sides of triangle are unequal, then the greater angle is the one opposite to longer side. Greater angle कभी भी triangle पे क्या होता है, so opposite of longer side is longer angle. Opposite of longer side is longer angle. For example, in 90 right angle triangle, that is the best example. In a right angle triangle, this is 90 degree. So opposite greater angle opposite side is always longer side. Okay, in a right angle triangle example for a, in smaller triangle we don't know which angle is greater. So but right angle triangle को बोल सकते हैं हम exact 90 degree. If exact 90 degree उसका opposite greater है, 90 degree is greater than all angles, no other angle or acute angle बन सकता है. So 90 degree रहे तो so इसका opposite angle opposite side always longer. So longer side का opposite angle always greater. Okay, longer side opposite angle always greater. So answer is opposite longer side. If two side of triangle are unequal, then the greater is opposite to longer side. So option A, answer is option A, opposite to longer side. Opposite longer side is the answer. Next question. In triangle ABC, if angle C is 90, then AB is 10 centimeter, AC is 6, then find the value of BC. Find the value of BC. So it is one angle is 90 degree, means it is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. So Pythagoras theorem. Right angle triangle, one angle C is 90 degree. Then AB is 10 centimeter. AB is 10 centimeter. Angle C is 90 degree. Then AB. Okay. Then AB is 10 centimeter. AC is 6 centimeter. We have to find BC. Okay. Look at here 90 degree ka opposite. 90 degree is the greatest angle. Highest. Greatest angle ka opposite largest side ही रहता है. Okay. Hypotenuse is the largest. So which is the hypotenuse here? Opposite to 90 degree is a hypotenuse side. Okay. Opposite to 90 degree is called hypotenuse side. Opposite to 90 degree is called hypotenuse side. Now Pythagoras formula for the opposite to 90 degree hypotenuse. Pythagoras formula is square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of other two side, means other two legs, or again adjacent side and opposite. Sum hypotenuse side mean 90 degree का opposite कौन रहता है, कौन neighbor है opposite neighbor 90 degree का, वही है hypotenuse, means largest side बनता है. So here AB square, AB is the hypotenuse here opposite to 90 degree. This is very important, hypotenuse कौन सा है. Then other two side का square, AC square plus BC square or CB square. AB square is equal to AC square plus CB square. AB square is 10 square equal AC is 6 square plus BC we have to find. Okay. 10 square means it is 100 equal 6 square means 36 plus BC square. Now 100 plus 36 there this side means it become minus 36 equal BC square. So BC square equal, to find the value of BC square equal 100 minus 36, 64, 10 minus 6 is 4. So here 9 minus 3 is 64. BC square is equal to 64. So BC is equal to square of 64. So it means plus or minus 8. Plus or minus 8 centimeter. So we can write the answer as आंसर क्या लिख सकते हैं हम, आंसर को लिख सकते हैं B 8 सेंटीमीटर. Try to write 10 practice like this only. 10 स्टैंडर्ड को अब ऐसे ही लिखना चाहिए. ओके. स्क्वायर ऑन द हाइपोटेनस इज इक्वल टू सम ऑफ द स्क्वायर ऑफ अदर टू साइड. So here B is equal to AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. 10 square 6 square plus BC square. 10 square means 10 into 10 100 बनता है. 6 means 36 into 6 is 36. Square means multiplying 2 times. Cube means multiplying 3 times. Okay, 100 minus 36 64 बनता है. 64 is a perfect square number. उसका square plus or minus 8 आता है. So it is a 8 centimeter. Question. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, unequal, perpendicular and none. So parallelogram means opposite sides are parallel. Okay. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. For example, here 8 centimeter means here also 8 centimeter. Opposite are parallel and they are on same side. So we have to write opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. So answer is equal. आंसर क्या लगता है? ए. आंसर इज ए equal. In a rectangle, the diagonals are unequal, equal, parallel, none. So 9th standard means you have to study all properties of triangles, formulas, everything. So rectangle रहे तो so rectangle means opposite sides are equal. If you have 5 centimeter, here 5 centimeter, here 8 centimeter, here 8 centimeter. Okay, here 8 centimeter I'll give, and this is 5 centimeter. Opposite sides are equal, 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and here 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Now diagonals are, we have two diagonals, we can draw two diagonals are bisect and equal. So answer is B, equal. Answer we have to write B, equal. Learn all properties, write in one notes, make a one notes and write all properties of rectangle property, square का property लिखो और rhombus. Then write the surface and volume chapter, all formula. Write down all this. And exponent chapter, law of exponent formula, e to the power m. Write that also. All formula now itself in 9th standard in holidays. Write all formulas and keep it at side. Make a one separate notes. So it will be helpful in 10th standard. 10th standard को भी आपको surface and volume chapter है उसका formula सीखना चाहिए. And algebraical expression formulas, a plus b whole square, aq plus b a plus b whole cube, all formula make it now itself on notes and try to learn. Next question पे आते हैं. So if the diagonal of a parallelogram are equal and bisect each other, then it is a dash. So it is a rectangle. Square पे भी हमको diagonal equal रहता है, लेकिन bisect right angle पे नहीं होता. So it is a rectangle. Diagonal of a parallelogram are equal. Diagonal of a parallelogram are equal in rectangle. Okay, diagonals are equal in rectangle and it's bisect teacher. Bisect means it is divided into equal. Bisect में equally divide करता है, दो part को equally divide करता है. So it is a rectangle. Square पे भी रहता है, square पे 90 degree. Okay, so B rectangle suit most here. B rectangle. Answer is B, rectangle. Next question. The sum of angle of a quadrilateral is, कितना रहता है? Sum of angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Sum of angle of quadrilateral is 360 degree. Sum of angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Option D. Answer has option D. So हम लिखेंगे D 360 degree. D 360 degree. Next is, in a cyclic quadrilateral, the sum of opposite angles. Cyclic quadrilateral. What it means, cyclic quadrilateral? What is a cyclic quadrilateral? It is a quadrilateral. Cyclic means a cycle के अंदर, circle के अंदर. Okay. Circle के अंदर quadrilateral रहे तो that become the cyclic quadrilateral. The quadrilateral I will draw here. Circle के अंदर quadrilateral, then it is a cyclic quadrilateral. The sum of opposite angle x and y is equal to 180 degree. Opposite angle total कहे तो supplementary बनता है. So opposite cyclic quadrilateral पर sum of opposite angle is 180 degrees supplementary. So angle C. साइक्लिक क्वाड्रेट दिस इज अ साइक्लिक क्वाड्रेटर x प्लस वाई अपोजिट एंगल कितना रहता है टोटल करने पे 180 मिलता है मीन्स सप्लीमेंट्री. सो आंसर सी इज द आंसर इन फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. आंसर सी 180 डिग्री इज द आंसर. Question: the perpendicular drawn from the center of circle to a chord. The perpendicular drawn from the center of circle to a chord. So here हम एक circle draw करेंगे. I will draw here one circle. Okay, and this is the center. Chord diameter means passes through center. Chord is this. Okay, a perpendicular drawn from the center to a circle to a chord. Perpendicular means a standing line. कैसा draw करता है ऐसा. Okay, standing line on chord. This is a chord. AB is a chord and O. एक perpendicular chord पे draw किया तो it bisect each other. I'll give x here. It means bisect means AX is equal to XB divided into equal part. So bisect the chord. Answer is bisect the chord. Answer has A bisects the chord. A bisect the chord. This is the answer. A bisect the chord is the answer. Next question पे क्या is the tangent to a circle is dash perpendicular to radius, parallel to radius, equal to radius, same as radius. हम tangent, so it is a circle. Okay, O is a center. ये tangent to it, tangent क्या है, ये line touch करके पास होता है, ये line touch करके पास होता है. So xy is a tangent here. Xy is a tangent, and this P, it touching point, that is called the point of contact. Okay, so the tangent we can draw only two tangent from external point to a circle. The tangent to a circle, tangent means outside एक circle को touch होके पास होता है. That passing while passing, the touching point is called the point of contact. And the tangent to a circle is perpendicular to radius. Perpendicular to radius. So 0 is the center of the circle. Tangent को point of contact join करने पे हमको perpendicular मिलता है. Perpendicular means a straight line, and this radius is the shortest side. Compared to tangent, this radius is the shortest side. Shortest side क्या होता है, perpendicular बनता है, and it look like perpendicular size always look like this, half plus mark, 90 degree 90 degree. Okay, so answer is perpendicular to radius, not parallel. So answer A answer A perpendicular to radius. Answer A perpendicular to radius. So a line from the center of a circle to midpoint of a chord forms. So हम पहले circle draw करेंगे, and the center of circle O, a line from the center of a circle to midpoint of a chord. This is a chord. AB is a chord here. AB is a chord. So midpoint is the middle point, The line from the center of circle to midpoint of a chord form, it is a perpendicular. Perpendicular bisector means 90 degree. So right angle. This shape shortest and chord is a biggest side. So it is right angle. Answer is right angle A. Answer A, right angle. Next question. Assertion and reason. Assertion and reason means a property how to study. I told you know properties of everything. You write it. I write down it one notes, formulas, properties. Write it. Make it 100 or 200 pages. One notes. From 8th standard you have to start. 7th or 8th. Same notes you can keep for till 10th and higher classes. Mathematics means the concept and the properties rules are continue in language, only grammars are continuity रहता है हिंदी इंग्लिश कन्नड़ा पे लेकिन mathematics means mathematics or science the concept are same, so you have to from 6th or 7th standard you have to keep one notes at least from 8th standard, and the properties related to everything you have to write it in one side or in a file. You can make a file करके टैब और मोबाइल रख सकते हैं. Assertion opposite angle of a parallelogram are equal alternate angles. So parallelogram means, so it is a parallelogram. Parallelogram opposite angles are equal by making alternate parallel lines. it बनता है parallel line से. Okay, parallel line से बनता है. So parallel lines may look like a transverse. So opposite angles are equal. So both A and R are true. In parallelogram, opposite angle of parallelogram are equal. Okay, here x degree means here x degree. Here 80 degree means here 80 degree. Okay, opposite angle of a parallelogram are equal and alternate angles. Yes, these are alternate angle because of transversal line. So both option answer is A. Both A and true or false जैसा रहता है. A and R true and R explain means reason. Assertion also correct and reason also alternate angles. Reason also correct. Reason explains E. Assertion means a true or false or explanation कैसे रहता है. Assertion, the tangent drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Tangent and circle पहले क्या कर सकते हैं एक circle के उसके बाद टू tangent. Tangent means ये सर्कल को टच करके जाता है पास. ओके, सो tangent means it touch and to the circle from one point, from an external point, only two tangent we can draw. So this P and Q are called the point of contact. वो tangent सर्कल को टच हुआ ना वो पॉइंट का हमको पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट बनते हैं. So a assertion tangent drawn from an external point to a circle. Tangent drawn from an external point, two tangent, maximum two tangent external point पे draw कर सकते हैं. Equal in length, yes, that is correct. If you are 10 centimeter, then here also 10 centimeter. Okay, tangent PA equal to PQ. Okay, tangent PA equal to PQ. Tangent drawn from an external point are equal and external one point से only two tangent draw कर सकते हैं. Tangent means सर्कल से एक बाहर से एक लाइन टच करके जाना है. वो टचिंग पॉइंट को हम पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट बनते हैं बोलते हैं. External point with circle are equal in length. That is correct. Assertion is true. Assertion हमको assertion क्या है correct true. And the reason the radii at the point of contact are perpendicular to the tangent. That is also correct. For example, this is a center of circle and from here to circle it is a radius 1. 2 radius means it become radii. Okay, a radii point of contact को 90 degree perpendicular बनता है. पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट टू परपेंडिकुलर। ये रेडियई हमको रेडियई क्या देता है? रेडियई मेक इट परपेंडिकुलर शेप. Radii make perpendicular shape. Perpendicular shape means, yes, that is also correct. Point of contact perpendicular to the tangent. The reason is correct, but actual reason for this tangent is equal is not given. फिर भी assertion भी true है, reason भी true है. Perpendicular contact से radii या perpendicular, that is correct. But tangent equal क्यों है? Why tangent are equal? दैट एक्सप्लेनेशन हम एक क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं किसी आदमी को, वो एक्सप्लेनेशन ठीक से नहीं करता है. एक्सप्लेनेशन करेक्ट रहता है लेकिन एग्जैक्ट क्वेश्चन का एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं है. अब टैंजेंट टू पी है, पी क्यू है, उसका दे आर इक्वल, देन द इट इज सेइंग अबाउट द रेडियस एंड परपेंडिकुलर ऑफ अ टैंजेंट. Reason is saying about the radii and perpendicular. Assertion is true, reason is true, but both A and R are true, but R does not explain A. A और assertion और reason are true, but reason tangent के ऊपर नहीं है. So B, option B is a correct. So both are correct. Both A and R are true. Both A tangent equal है, एक पॉइंट से दो टैंजेंट इक्वल है. रीजन बोल रहा है परपेंडिकुलर, पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टेंट से रेडियस आर परपेंडिकुलर, या रेडियस परपेंडिकुलर. रीजन ऑल्सो करेक्ट, बट द रीजन टैंजेंट के बारे पे नहीं है. रीजन तो टैंजेंट का एक्सप्लेनेशन है. सो बोथ ए एंड आर आर ट्रू, बट आर डज नॉट एक्सप्लेन ए. रीजन दे रहे हैं क्वेश्चन के ऊपर, वो तो नहीं है. ओके.